Friendly. Ain't nothing changed. Still real, baby. Yeah.
Hey, what's up, you guys? I partnered up with Shine Armor, and I wanted to show you guys one of the products that I'm using on my vehicles, and maybe you might want to use it on yours. And that product is the nano glass coating. And with this glass coating, pretty much you apply it on your windshield or any of your windows, but mainly your windshield, and the water beads right off. It's going to help you with better visibility at night. You know, if you're driving at night, you have better visibility, and the water's just going to slide right off, which is a plus. So, I mean, pretty much all you got to do with this, you wash your car. After you're done washing your car, you're supposed to apply it half a windshield at a time, and then yeah, just watch it do its work. So what I'm gonna do for you guys right now is because my car's kind of dirty, I'm just gonna clean the windshield. I'm gonna clean the whole windshield with probably Windex, because I don't have the other brand that I use to clean the windows. So I'm gonna use Windex on both sides, and then I'm gonna mask it down the middle, and I'm gonna show you a 50-50 comparison of what nano glass coating does compared to competitors. So let's jump into that.
I begin to. I begin to.
Alright, let's do this straight down the center. All right, now if we read the directions that are on the back, it says to wash your car normally. If you thoroughly clean and prep the windshield surface before applying, this step can be skipped. Step 2 is to dry your windshield, which our windshield is now dry. And then step 3 is apply the nano glass coating to half of the windshield at a time. Apply the nano glass coating with a soft cloth, preferably a microfiber, which is what we got provided by Shine Armor. And then in a circular motion, firmly apply Shine Armor nano glass coating into the windshield. Step 4, we're gonna buff it out with a different clean cloth, because as I said, we got 2 of these cloths. We still have an extra one. So we're gonna clean it, buff it out with a different cloth, move up and down the windshield gradually, buffing out the haze until you get to the top of the glass. And then step 5, take a clean cloth and go over all the surface one last time, buffing in circles, rubbing off the last residue. So let's go and spray this on the windshield. So I don't have a nozzle on here, so we're gonna make it work how we can. Saw that, but it works. So on this side, it was beating right off. The side that we coated, the water was beating right off, and on this side it was more like grouping together and just running down. This side was, yeah, that's nice. And let's see this side, I don't know if you could tell, but there's barely any droplets on this side of the windshield that's coated. But when you go over to this side, it's to have a lot of water running down all over the whole thing. You see all the little beads of water compared to that side that's pretty clear. Nice. So let's dry this off and coat the whole windshield. So my overall review of this Shine Armor nano glass coating, I like it. It works good. I definitely buy it again. So yeah, I really liked how the water just beaded right off, and we'll see how it is during rainy season, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be good. So yeah, I'm gonna leave a link in the description down below if you'd like to get this product. I'll leave the link in the description down below. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and make sure you stay tuned for the next one. Peace.